everyone, and welcome to my reaction of Jeffy has hiccups, and I don't have face cam because I'm using iSpring free cam. And if you're wondering why I'm using iSpring free cam if it doesn't have face cam and off screencast-o-matic, it's because whenever I do screencast-o-matic, I have to take out my headphones because I'm using the free version where it doesn't record the computer audio. And so I'm gonna have to take out my headphones so the computer could read out of the sound, and then sometimes it doesn't even do that, so there's gonna be no sound in the video. But whatever, let's just get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, and I also have to be quiet. I have to be really quiet because it's 11 in the morning. There are a bunch of people sleeping in my house because I don't know why they sleep at this time, but it's whatever. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and save my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them.
Wow.
Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well,
It's
then go
great.
over there and do it.
Just
I
go
don't wanna
straight to
hear
the point. Straight to the point.
Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of
That
this
kind of
hiccup.
scared me.
Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore.
That one doesn't really work because while you're hiccuping,
Hold your
it just really hurts.
Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh no!
Wow.
Realize Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold
Or
his
is this
breath.
just a dream?
That can't happen.
Joey and Tito Totter.
CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jeffy!
Thanks, Daddy.
Wow.
Hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't stand them. They're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the
It's just
emergency?
hiccups. Just give him water or just scare him.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you
Wow.
kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Darryl, stop hitting me! He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they aren't.
Wow.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well,
Really?
first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Can you really get up in there?
What?
Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
How
Well,
can you
usually in a
tell
case
like
this,
that?
We have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have
What?
to go. Yeah, that didn't
Oh
work.
man.
All right. Well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do now is boo.
Okay.
No, not
Just
quite.
give him some
I'm gonna have to go
water.
out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boo! Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay. So
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically boo.
Okay, this
That's not
joke
working.
is getting
Come on,
old.
follow me. Boo! Back on that. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
He's gonna pop it.
Boo! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time.
Oh,
You
it's
like
from
that
The
balloon,
Purge,
Jeffy?
the
Yeah.
baby mask.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage.
What?
It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what?
Well, why couldn't you let him
Somebody
drink
cook me
that?
for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my
What he
kid
does
when
for
you
YouTube,
yell?
man.
Don't make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah. Did that work?
What he does
On
for
to stage
YouTube.
4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Oh, a crossbow?
Yeah.
What?
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Oh,
All right,
the
let's shoot this
music.
apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Nice.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, on to stage 5.
Oh,
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb, and Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts
This
the
is
wrong
just
one, it
getting
explodes, they'll die.
too
Which wire does he cut?
The black one!
They're all black.
just
Yeah, I know, that's why it's
Crazy.
scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose a wire, Jeffy.
Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
What if he
It's not a
actually
real
doesn't
bomb.
have hiccups,
It's just an
and
Apple
whenever
Watch taped to a
he's like
firecracker
hiccups,
taped to
he's
an
actually
Xbox
saying
power
yup.
Oh.
But yeah.
Anyway, on to the next one. All right, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out.
Oh
of the
my
plane without a
gosh.
parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Wow.
Jeffy, are you
Nice.
okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we
Okay.
do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open.
Okay.
All right, how much I owe you?
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. What? Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it, and I drank
Oh.
my drink. But what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know. So I don't know what to do now.
Wow.
We tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well,
So you did
I hate to
7
admit this, but
things?
I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for. Boom! All right.
let me
I'm
check.
gonna try just one more time.
Oh man.
I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Just give him water, man.
Fly.
Oh.
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly.
I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's trying to
Well,
eat my
that's how he
face.
cured his hiccups.
Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
I don't think so.
What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
You can't say happiness
Oh, no,
without
no,
penis.
please don't tell me.
All right. I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
How would you scare someone if you had to? Ooh. Guess what the Brooklyn guy was doing? Just like go boo the whole time. Did the doctor really do 7 things? So the balloon was the first one. That was the second one. That was the third one. That was the fourth one. That was the 5th one. That was no. I think the keep saying like boo was like the first one. So I guess it was 7 things. So that video was
3.6 gigahertz.
was pretty I'd say like
I'd
6
say like
out
going
of
like
6 out of 10, 7
10.
out of 10. But anyways, guys,
Bye.
bye.